At Superpack, we want to use real data and factory photos to answer the question in your mind: how safe are our lithium-ion batteries? Lithium-ion batteries are usually safe when properly used and maintained. However, there are safety concerns due to their flammable electrolyte and high energy density. To address this challenge, Superpack utilizes NMC LFP cells from the leading manufacturers in China to offer customer battery solution for portable devices. And Superpack has been developing and manufacturing lithium iron phosphate batteries since 2008. We use lithium iron phosphate cell technology, which is a solution that is far superior to other lithium battery materials in terms of stability. It has significant advantages such as good thermal stability, not easy to catch fire, no rare earth metals, non-toxic and non-polluting, etc. It is especially suitable for industrial, outdoor, transportation, and energy storage scenarios that require safe and reliable power supply. We carry out a strict quality inspection process before each battery leaves the factory. These include high-temperature endurance tests, low-temperature operating tests, shock resistance, short-circuit prevention, overcharge prevention, and many other tests to ensure stable operation even under harsh environments. Whether it is sub-zero cold, outdoor sun exposure, or complex industrial applications, Superpack's lithium-ion batteries can provide stable and safe power output. Every Superpack battery has a ruggedized case, precise structural layout, and qualified BMS. We don't just design the battery, we think, what are the operating environments, how to avoid risk, whether it's for home backup, municipal energy, industrial mobility, sudden power outages, or extreme weather. Safety is always the key point of Superpack's approach. Superpack is committed to making energy cleaner, more controllable, and safer. If you are looking for a lithium battery that is safe to use in unstable or hazardous environments, Superpack Lithium Iron Phosphate is your best choice. Contact us for a customized battery energy solution.